The CASETiFY Impact cases come in a standard white box. It includes the case itself and a handy guide that tells you how to properly install and remove the case. There's nothing else inside the box and I'm pretty happy with the lightweight and slim packaging. The Impact cases are compatible with a wide range of Apple Watches. CASETiFY currently makes them in 4 different sizes, including 40, 41, 44 and 45mm. This essentially means that, depending on which size you pick up, it should fit all Apple Watch devices from Series 4 to Series 8, as well as the SE series. Do make sure that you double check the compatibility on CASETiFY's website, which will immediately tell you which Apple Watches are supported. The Impact metal cases feature a brushed aluminium bezel and a plastic side. The case feels well made and premium, and it really complements the Apple Watch, regardless of the colour you pick up. The case is lightweight and it adds little to no extra weight to the watch itself, which is always a good point in my books. I've been wearing the silver metal Impact case for over a month, and despite the amount of abuse it's gotten over that time, it's yet to see any scratches. The Impact case has a 0.4mm raised bezel that helps protect the display from scuffs. As a clumsy person, I often hit my Apple Watch on my desk, door frames and other objects, yet it's still in pristine condition without a scratch or a dent. It's impressive and I can only recommend it. The case is also sweat and water resistant, so there shouldn't be any corrosion or funky looks even after months and years of use. The plastic Impact case essentially features the same exact design, minus the stainless steel top bezel. It looks fantastic from all angles, although if there's a slight nitpick about these two cases, it's the text that's written on the left side. I wish this blended in better as it takes away from the premium feel. Aside from that, these cases are the best I've seen yet, and they provide excellent overall protection, feel and design that nicely complements the Apple Watch. CASETiFY metal Impact cases are available in 4 colours: black, silver, gold and rose gold. CASETiFY generously provided the black, silver and gold colours for review, and here's how the 45mm cases look on the Apple Watch Series 8. Personally, I think the silver one looks best, especially with the Monolink band, which I reviewed recently. Sadly, the CASETiFY plastic Impact case only comes in a single colour, black. Fortunately, that's a colour that can fit any Apple Watch, regardless of the frame colour, so you should have plenty of options. However, if you want more customization options, you have to go for the metal cases. When it comes to the price, the CASETiFY metal Impact cases will set you back $38 in the US or £33 in the UK. The plastic version retails for $28 in the US, and both cases are excellent and provide elegant looks. So, should you buy the CASETiFY Impact cases? If you're after an elegant, classy and premium case that provides great overall protection for not just the display but the entire smartwatch, then it's an excellent solution. I love that it's easy to install and remove, and the fact that it gives me peace of mind for not having to worry about the scratches. Whether you're as clumsy as I am or you just want to spice up the looks of your Apple Watch, the CASETiFY Impact cases will complement the looks and the condition of your smartwatch. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.